Jonah, up. You watch the TV from out or so?
No.
The place not even sweep up, buckled up on the wall. What happened? Are you me a talk to you know? You know, say, I go talk to your mother about it too. Because I realize, you know. Come on, get up and go clean up with something then, man. Hello, come on for the phone. Are you me a talk to?
So you know my father, you know.
Hey, listen me. I know say me and your father. But I feel me place this. And I just say you there. And me provide. So you know if you tell me say me and your father, I know that. As a matter of fact, from your father come from jail. Me not see him come out here do nothing for you. Look on the place as a young man, you can't behave someone. I mean I talk to you and behave like you want to disrespect me. Come on, go on and go wash up.
Ram.
I don't understand what you mean what happened. Look how long you gone from man and the boy didn't even get tea, nor nothing.
Junior a big boy, you know, and I teach him everything. So he must can look after tea for himself. And by the way, I go up on the road see if I could get a bar work, but the lady said she'll call me back, so what happened? Where him there by the way?
I send him gone around there, go wash up the plate them. And as you mention him, I tell him, so I gotta talk to you. Him not have no manners. You understand? I come and saw this man I talk to him in the phone. I talk to him about for keep the place tidy and him something like. And he tell me say me and him father.
Remember saying him young, you know? Him young. And him depend on him phone, him good as remember say online school you know go on now, so remember say I have online class. And yeah, you know, the whole thing will happen with his father. You know, and kind of depressed, you know, and not really too. You know, it's hard for him to see a new man come in his life and everything. So you have to be patient with him and give him some time and give him a break. And we know sometimes you always depend on him back. Just give him a break, remember say young.
You see, I understand say mother have a connection, but sometimes you see these are some of the things, you know, where cause them to continue and follow down one trend. And you know what? Him father, I don't hear from him left, I don't hear you not talk about nothing like him need for the in his life. And me, I do everything, you know. You understand? And me, I play the man, yeah, so at least not being disrespectful is one of the things that me can have check. No
yeah,
patience.
that's true.
And as a matter of fact, me hear you talk about bar work. It come like I tested. Them I tried. Bar, me don't want to work on no bar. That not gonna work. You can do here, I know say you rent and so on pay, but like if we can figure out something, you can probably invest in our shop for yourself or work for somebody, make some money and invest in one for yourself. But not the bar thing. Total no. Sorry about that.
True man, you know if you make a big deal out of it. And by the way, just see if we can find something else and do. So by the way, what do you want to eat?
I don't know what we can cook, what we have around there.
Yeah, money for you can buy something?
Yeah, I'm call the boy, I'm send him go shop.
Jonah? Come here.
Yes, mommy.
Alright, so buy 2 pounds of mixed pots and 2 pounds of rice. Curry in there?
Can't go shop and I'm just done wash plate. See how the sun hot there.
Jonah, just take your money and go shop for me, please. You can buy one sweetie for yourself, here?
Yeah.
Yes, you see what I talk about? And them same behavior that I talk about. Like, you see if you not talk to him or try to shape him up, you know what going to happen? It's going to be a repeat. I see a man with their jail, just like your father.
Hello, you get too far now. Me know why you wish bad for my pitney, you hear? Remember saying me young, so you have enough to learn. Give me a break, man.
Really? Alright. How people say make your bed, you sleep in it. Alright, maybe give him a break. Definitely give him a break.
You know, say I call somebody call me and tell me say you get let out of jail.
Yeah, man, I'm fresh now, man. Fresh out of jail, man. So say, I don't know, normal, brother. Just try not go in there. You hear me tell you? Try not go in there. I don't know, hell this. So when they talk about hell, this or hell, not normal. But I try to see if I can stay on the right path, you know.
Because money if you make and life you live, you know. You see it?
True, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So yo, you don't make no link in jail?
Link.
Yeah, because we don't know some man have some real link to make some money.
Yeah, man, everything for that. How you go, boy? Who's in your shop? How you go, boy?
You don't know, say I shop me I go. I want Larry send me a shop.
What mean Larry send you a shop? Larry send me picnic a shop.
A pay beating down there beat me and work me out.
Yo, you see them, I see me, I tell about you know, them people come out there want me to go to jail, you know, you see all them mother, you know, see a fool that your mother take me for. Yo, come on, me go down there. Yo, me soon chat you.
Yo, that no tie away in my general.
Yo, people come like. Crystal, come. Crystal! Hello. It's what your man down here do to me, son.
Johnny, you know what long me see you where you are there, so.
Listen to me, now, man. Me see my boy. I walk, I say, you know, down here, work him out. I send him a shop. I know. Your man I beat all the picnic. It's what kind of style that? Eh?
Hello.
A jail, I want me to go back again.
Hello. And what kind of complaint you go to your father with? And you was a big man, you not even come. By the way, you know how I eat?
Crystal, nobody go there, sir. I don't want to go back to jail. Nobody come try. Tear up my head right now, Crystal. Nobody with the foolishness. You see how long I there at jail? I'm come back. When we go there, even did Lily, so now him big and fat, so. I now know I come work him out.
Yes, him big and fat. All because of Larry. I take care of him and me for all of the years then when you miss out. By the way, you don't even know how he sleep. You come here with big stone, boy, you know, one way I send him go shop. Hello, the man only talk to him 2 little time. And your son don't have no behavior. He don't listen. So the best thing you do, I come out of my yard. You come go in.
Yo, don't make me have to come out down here, you know. Because you see, you, I am man, now go like you if I come out down here, you know. Here, no. I want to go back to jail where I come from. In a nice in there. I don't want to go back in there.
You look like you want to go back the way you go and sound like you love where you come from.
Mama, just be right.
Junior, you really go down to your father, go tell your father, say me I work you out and I send you to a shop. How you so wicked little boy? You know what say my fault? Because if I did have put on my foot, you only go on so. One in this man.
This one. Exactly what I talk about. Me never did that movie, no. Me just that wonder where I'm going to do with that stone the way I'm having in my hand. And I one thing I have to say to you, know. You see, if you can't get this under control, you and him just have to go on. Because me see it clear. You understand? If him, as him father, make him feel like, say, well, I'm do alright, and you don't put on your foot, I know exactly where to go. And I say it to you more than one time.
I'm sorry about what happened. I'm truly sorry. The little boy disappointed me. But don't worry yourself, you don't have to get so far. I'm going to talk to him. Johnny! Come man, I want to talk to you.
I see you come to your senses now, you know, you could just come in.
Stop your foolishness, I want to talk to you.
You see? I see you come to your senses.
Stop your foolishness.
Crystal, stop your foolishness. You know a long time in the jail. Come here, like old time days. Get a little girl and now make a gay boy make me feel like that.
You see what we have? Then I passed. You done with long time. Right?
Old fire stick easy if you catch it.
Here, yeah. You need to come apologize to the what we are going with down there.
I guess I was a bit too harsh, you know, but a long time I get nothing in Crystal. I guess in my head I know. I'm tired of just by myself.
You need to come apologize to we go along with it. Because guess what? For all that time when you're gone, him did play a real father role. And it look like Juna think he might get too big and now, so he might lose him place.
Alright, come on, we'll go talk to him.
And here what? Don't bother with your foolishness.
Krista, just have a foolish man. Just give me some. Blessings.
Hello. How are you?
You come to apologize. Just hear him out.
General, hear me, sir. We just come to apologize as a big man, isn't me? You know, I'm coming at the yard wrong, and you respond to yard now, isn't me? I'm sorry for all my being, isn't it? But Jonah!
Yes, I did.
Listen to me, you see, we get to find out, say, that this man over that take care of you, you must respect him. Right? And you must listen to what I'm saying. We just don't want nobody lick me child.
Nobody now beat us on.
Isn't it? But you must respect him as a big man, as a stepfather. You know that? And respect him and listen to him and say.
Come apologize to him too.
Yeah, apologize.
Sorry for my behave.
I mean, they not hear man.
Sorry for my behavior.
Larry, Mr. Larry.
Mr. Larry. I'm love you here, mommy.
Alright, go on in, man. But I feel like you're on my side. But as I said, Mr. Larry, sorry about that, sorry for disturbing you. But big up yourself.
Yeah, man, everything cool, man.
Crystal,